This is the accounting mechanism of Judge Engoron. This is a lunatic, a moron, a guy out of control. And guess what? The appellate court has swatted him down on multiple counts. Let's look at what those counts are. This is what I started with. I was saying that this is not just a matter of the appellate court reducing the bond to $175 million. This is what they say in addition. They say that defendants Weisselberg and McConney, these are guys who worked for the Trump organization, they are now allowed, Judge Engoron said they were not, they're allowed to work for any New York corporation or business entity. Judge Engoron had barred Trump and these guys from being an officer of any New York corporation. The appellate court says no, they can be. Judge Engoron had barred Trump and these corporate defendants from applying for loans from any New York entity. This has now been overruled by the appellate court. Trump may pay with cash. He may not need loans, but he's perfectly able to apply for loans to New York banks and New York entities. Judge Engoron had also barred Eric Trump and Donald Trump from being an officer or director of any New York corporation, including the Trump Organization. That's overruled now by the appellate court. They can be an officer or director of New York corporations, including, of course, their own. So this is an across-the-board, I won't say, it's not really an overruling because it's not a permanent, but what it is it is a suspension of all these elements of Judge Engoron's decision pending an appeal. So Trump now goes to the appellate court. He gets a second round to be able to make his case. And I certainly hope that given the preposterousness of this case and its wide implications, it goes beyond Trump. I hope for these reasons that the appeal, which by the way is not going to be this year, it may not even be next year. The appeal may come to fruition the following year, 2026. There is a big lag time for these appeals, but in the meantime, happily, Trump has a reprieve, and I'm sure the Truth Social news didn't hurt either.